Just had some guy come and look at this bike yesterday, and he looked it over. Didn't see anything wrong with it. Couldn't find anything wrong with it because I don't give him to find anything wrong with it. So took it for a ride. He came back, and he's all, "We take $3,000 for it?" And I was like, "No, the price is firm." And he's like, "Well, I can't give you full price because the engine over here is tarnished." And I asked him, "Well, how does that hurt the performance or the drivability of the machine?" He's like, "Well, it's just tarnished. I won't pay full price because it's tarnished." I don't know if he's expecting this thing to be chrome plated. So I told him, "Well, price is firm. If you change your mind, let me know." And I just drove it inside and shut the door. I thought that was the most ridiculous thing I ever heard. But right before he got all pissed off, he's all like, "Well, the joints are bad as well. You know, the ball joints. There's nothing wrong with these ball joints." I mean, even if there was, these ball joints are $30 on Amazon for a set of 4. So yeah. But the funny thing was, he said he was looking at another one in California, but he couldn't justify spending $350 more on because the engine was tarnished. So I mean, if he wants to spend a couple $100 fuel getting to California, by all means, buddy, go for it. So yeah, it's pretty comical. So anyway. So someone's supposed to be coming to look at this today. Got it posted up for $33.50. I'm not going to take any less than that. So we'll see if he bites on it. But we did do the new Honda wheels, OEM. They had some offset ITPs and some other crap on there. The decal kit, repainted the front bumper. Redid the plastic gas tank up there, some plastic renew. Did the new choke lever there, new grips, seat cover. I stole this lever off my wife's bike, the shift lever. The other one was stripped out, so I just put this one on there and got her a new one. And then we did the air filter, battery, and put the new exhaust tip on there, and then we replaced the skid plate down there and redid the differential fluid as well. So we'll see if he takes it. I'm not taking anything less than $33.50. So I did pay $22.50 for it. So with parts and everything, I'm at rate of at $26.50. So we're looking at $700 profit. And it wasn't much work, but yeah, we'll see if we can get rid of this thing for. So hopefully he's got $33.50 on, and otherwise he's gonna go home an unhappy camper. But everything works good on it, so I did flush the brake fluid as well. Just kind of bled that through. Well, she's a good bike. Can't complain. Looks good. Looks even better out in the sun, but I'll show you some pictures of it out in the sun. Yeah, it's definitely a lot brighter out here. I don't know, I got a lot of inquiries about the graphics kit on this thing. Everybody wanted to know where I got it from. So I just told them I got it on eBay. But yeah, we did repaint that heat shield and then the exhaust as well. Painted that black, but it's definitely a good bike.
Honda TRX250 that I had. Just sold it. I got $33.50 for it. That's what I was asking. So, see, I paid $22.50 for it. Put a couple $100 into it. The total was right around like $26.50. So I made just a little over $700 on that sale and that flip, which is fine. You know, I mean, I wasn't expecting to get a whole lot out of that one. But bikes are definitely not moving at this point in time. It seems like there's a lot of bikes sitting out there, and now's definitely the time to buy. So I'm gonna go buy another bike, probably a 400, and hang on to that one until probably next dune season. And you know, I'll post it up for sale after I get it fixed up, and we'll see if there's any bites. But I think if I hang on to it, it'll be worth more. So anyway, the guy just came and picked it up. It's for his kid. Definitely be happy with it. And like I said, we made $700 profit, just over 700. It was like 712 or 714, some change. So yeah, I was on the market for, you know, tomorrow, Sunday will be 2 weeks exactly. So I was kind of sweating it. You know, I was getting a lot of low ball offers, but I wasn't budging on the price. So anyway, it's sold, it's gone. We'll get another project going, see what we can find.